Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch age-restricted videos on YouTube. Now open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer. And the first thing we're going to check is in the YouTube app. So you can see at the very bottom right, it says You. So let's just tap on that You icon. And now you'll be able to see at the very top right is your settings. So let's tap on your settings and also keep note of which channel or which account you're logged into. So once we get into your settings, the first place we're going to look is to see if there's an age restriction on your YouTube settings, but we'll also check another place as well. So at the very top, you're going to tap on where it says General, and you can see Restricted Mode. It says this helps hide potentially mature videos, no filters, 100% accurate. All you need to do is turn this off. However, there might be something else that is limiting your ability to watch adult content or mature videos. What we're going to do is type in Google Family Link. Now keep in mind when you go to Google Family Link, let's open it up here, you'll be able to see at the top right is my account. And now you can see I'm on Madison's account, which is a child account. If you have a child account associated with your Google Family Link, you might be restricted in what sort of content you can watch on YouTube. So I can tap on YouTube here, and you can see it gives me the option for YouTube Kids, which essentially limits the functionality of YouTube to certain age ranges. Or you can see I can choose the unlimited restrictions or unlimited use of YouTube. You can see it does say parent supervised in this case. Keep in mind, if you do go back out of here, you'll need the parent or guardian account to be able to control or edit the customizations or the restrictions set on YouTube. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.